Hello, and welcome to The Savvy Miner. You can check out all our tutorial videos at thesavvyminer.com. This is a short tutorial video to show you how to set up a startup folder shortcut on your desktop. Now you'd think this would be straightforward for Windows, but it's not, because Windows hides the startup folder in a very bizarre place. You're going to want to go to your C drive. From there, you're going to go into your users folder. And from there, you're going to select your username. Open that folder. And now you're going to look for a folder called AppData. Open that folder. Go into roaming. From there, you want to go into the folder called Microsoft. And from there, you're going to go into the folder called Windows. Once you're there, you think, aha, I found it. There's the start menu, but nope. Got to keep going. Open that folder. There's a folder called Programs. Open that one. And now you're finally there. There's a folder called Startup. You're going to right-click that, create a shortcut, and then just drag that onto your desktop. And once you have that there, anything you want to start at startup, like your mining program, just drag that into your startup shortcut. You won't have to follow that long, awful path ever again. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please check out some of our other tutorial videos at thesavvyminer.com. And if you found our site particularly helpful, don't hesitate to hit that tip jar on thesavvyminer.com to throw some crypto coin our way to promote future tutorials and videos. Happy mining!